In this video, I'll show you how to fix this content is age restricted or protected error on TikTok. So if you're frequently getting this content is age restricted, then here's how we actually fix this problem. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel because this really helps me out. So if you're frequently getting the age restricted error, then the age restricted may be enabled on your TikTok account. Now to disable that, you just open up the TikTok application from your Android or iPhone. And from the home page, go and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. And then simply go and tap on this three-dot line at the top right. And then tap on settings and privacy. And from the settings and privacy, you just need to scroll down, tap on content preferences. And at this point, here we get the restricted mode is turned on. You just need to tap on that, and you just need to tap on turn off. And this might ask you to enter the code. If it set it up, then you can actually select why you are turning off this option, or you can skip this by tapping on this cross button at the top right. So I'm going to cross this one, and now the restricted mode is turned off. Now you can easily watch any content without the age restriction error. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.